everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another Continental knitting stitch tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to knit the little raindrop stitch. This is a variation of the raindrop stitch which I have covered on this channel, and I will try to link it at the end of this video. And the reason it's called the little raindrop stitch is because these little vertical bits that we consider to be the raindrops are just shorter than the other ones. So I think it's a fun little stitch pattern to complete, and it gives you lots of added texture without a lot of complication. So without further ado, I will be jumping into this tutorial. Before I do, make sure you're subscribed and ring that notification bell so I can be a part of your future knitting journey. It's the only way I know that I should keep uploading. This video is brought to you by my supporters over at Hey Craftapreneur. Hey Craftapreneur is my monthly pattern club, which includes my knitting, crochet, and centro knitting machine designs. Each month, members are given access to at least 2 of these designs, as they are either added to the library or updated, and they will have continual access to my entire written/video pattern library for as long as they are members. Membership also gives you the title of Super Crafty, because that's what you are. Members are also given complimentary access to most of my crochet or knitting courses that are published on the website. For example, I recently published a step-by-step crochet course which will walk you through all the terminology, discussions about gauge, and the actual mechanics of the craft. It is a self-paced course that is usually purchased individually, but because you are monthly or quarterly supporters, you get access to it totally free as long as you're signed up for the club. The support I get from Hey Craftapreneur allows me to continue to operate this channel and publish the tutorial content that you've come to know and love. So, if you want to support me and make cool stuff, as I'm sure you've seen under the community tab here, then consider heading over and signing up today after the end of this tutorial. Alright, let's dive into the instruction. Alright, this stitch pattern is a 4-row repeat, and when you cast on, you want to cast on in multiples of 4 and add an additional 3. You can add an additional stitch on each end for edge stitching if you would like, but I did not do that for this swatch. Alright, we are going to start on row 1, which is the right side of our work. We're going to bring our yarn forward, and we are going to purl the first 3 stitches. So, you're going to insert your needle from right to left, yarn over, going to purl 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and then you are going to knit 1, bring the yarn to the back, and knit 1. Remove my cable needle. Alright, and that is the repeat for this row. So we're going to purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to knit 1 all the way across this row. Then you should be ending the row on a purl 3. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and now we're going to turn our work, and we are going to move on to row 2. For row 2, we are going to knit the knits and purl the purls, or we're going to knit as things appear. So on the back side of this work, those purls that we just did look like knit stitches. So I'm going to knit the first 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, I'm going to bring my yarn forward. That knit stitch that we did looks like a purl on this side, so I'm going to purl it. Alright, now these next 3 stitches look like knit stitches, so I'm going to knit them. Purl that next stitch because it was a knit stitch on the other side. And we're going to continue doing this all the way across our row. Alright, knitting that last stitch. Alright, and this is the back of the work, because I didn't show that off. It looks very uniform, much like ribbing, but on the front side you can see more of the texture. Alright, for row 3, we are going to bring the yarn forward, and our repeat for this row is to purl 1. We're going to then knit 1. Bring the yarn forward. We're going to purl 2. 1 and 2. Right? We're going to repeat that and bring the yarn forward. We're going to purl 1, knit 1, purl 2. Right? All the way across. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 2. When you get to the end of the row, you'll have 3 stitches left, and you may be wondering, what in the heck am I supposed to do with those? So when you get to that point, you're simply going to purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Alright, and that is the end of row 3. Row 4 is just like row 2. We are going to knit the knits and purl the purls. So again, if you're not advanced enough to look at these and tell which ones look like purls and which ones look like knits, you just have to kind of think about what you just did in the previous row and do the opposite. So in the previous row, I ended on a purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. So this purl 1 should be a knit on the opposite side. So I'm going to knit this first stitch. I'm going to purl this next stitch because I have this horizontal bar here. Then I'm going to knit that next stitch. Okay. Now these 2 stitches were purls on the other side, so I'm going to knit them on this side. 1 and 2. Alright, and then this one was a knit on the other side, so it's a purl on this side. I'm going to purl it. And so on across the row. So this was a purl, so I'm going to knit it. I'm going to knit this next one. And I'm going to knit this next one. I hope this explanation makes sense. I know when I was beginning with knitting, I had a hard time trying to understand what knit the knit, purl the purl means, because, yeah, it's just not that explanatory in my opinion. But anywho, just going to continue in this way, all the way across our row. This next one is a purl stitch, and then I'm going to knit the last stitch. Alright, and that is the end of row 4. When I turn my work back over, this is what it looks like. So if you continue to repeat rows 1 through 4 over and over again, you will get a swatch of fabric or a project that looks exactly like this. I hope that this video was helpful for you today. If so, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on my future knitting content. Typically, these type of videos go up on Wednesdays at 9:30 a.m. CST. Right now, I've been going through kind of a rough patch here, so my upload schedule has been off, but if you want to help me continue to do this work, then I ask that you head over to my website and sign up for Hey Craftapreneur, which is my crochet and knitting pattern club. I also post some of my exclusive tutorials for the Central Knitting Machine over there. So if that sounds like something cool and you have a spare $6 every month, then head over there, sign out today. I will leave that link in the description box below. I want to give a huge shout out to the people who are already supporting me over there because they make these videos possible. I couldn't do it without you guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, happy making!